Assalamualaikum guys and welcome to Dadima's Kitchen. I'm Jana.
I'm Amar.
And today we're going to be cooking SHAKSHUKA. So SHAKSHUKA was found famous in Tunisia, Turkey and Lebanon.
And I think in reviews it says that it's from the Ottoman Empire.
So here are the ingredients we're going to be using. You're going to need a pan and these ingredients. So we've got some olive oil and other things. We're going to be making our SHAKSHUKA in a different way. So let's cook our SHAKSHUKA.
So let's light our fire and put the pan
in. Let's add our olive oil, which is roughly about 5 tablespoons. Our onions in. So yeah.
How is it? How is it?
So make sure that your onions are finely chopped and that you have cooked them in the oil until they have turned golden brown. Okay, so now we're going to add our chopped our chopped mushrooms. Our onion has changed colour, so now we're going to add some bell pepper or capsicum. You can have any type of colour. We've chose green, you can have yellow or red or yeah. It looks good. So the onion's colour is changing and it looks great. This is really simple to make. Yeah, you can have it on a Sunday for if you don't know what to make for breakfast, because it's a breakfast dish and you can just think maybe we can make this because it's easy and it's super delicious.
So now we're going to add some salt.
So we want to this dish is normally hot, we want to make it a bit more spicy. So we're going to add some green chilies. And now we're going to add some black pepper. The smell is really good once it's like frying. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is going to have a lot of taste, as you can see from the ingredients that we're using here. So now we're going to add turmeric powder, which is called haldi in Urdu. To make it more hot, we're going to add some hot paprika. Wow, this has really got that colour we're looking forward to. So now our onions are cooked, so we're going to be adding some chopped tomato. You're going to need lots of these. Add it in. Ooh. Smell is nice and strong. Oh, looks like this pan is too big. Let's transfer it into this smaller pan. Ooh, it looks so good. I want to start eating it like right now. But there's still some good stuff to come from it. This pan is nice. Well, just the right size. Keep stirring until it's really good. The smell is so nice. So we're going to add a bit of water, like 3/4 of a glass, and then we're going to put the lid on and let it sort of like on the low heat. Okay, now add our, and we're ready. And leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, let's take the lid off and let's let the water dry in this for a few minutes. It smells so good. Love it. So it looks ready and it looks dark, so that means that it's ready. So now we're going to be making our pockets. So we've got 5 eggs, so we're going to make 5 pockets. So we're going to make sure to put the eggs that you're going to crack into a bowl before you put it in.
So carefully place your egg in the pocket.
Ooh, good. Now let's make another pocket for our next egg.
And carefully, once again, place it in.
Ooh, good. Let's make another pocket.
So next one.
Okay, so another pocket made in the center now, and add the egg. Our eggs have become perfect. So now it is done, and we're going to add a bit of goat's cheese, which is like my favorite cheese. And let's sprinkle it around. So happy we're using goat's cheese.
This looks so delicious. I hope it's going to be good.
Of course it's going to be good, because if goat's cheese is in it, then it is going to be amazing.
So now we're going to add some pieces of kebab. It's optional if you want it or not. We just like it this way.
Two kebabs sizzling in the pan. Add one more and you for the fry.
Okay, totally normal, right?
Looking delicious. So put your pan onto the flame onto the lowest heat. Then add your lid so that everything can
Be cooked.
Yeah.
There you
So
go. Wait
excited.
there you go. So just wait for about 5 minutes again, and we'll be back.
The dish is a few minutes away from being ready. So, yeah, we're gonna dish it out. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. Oh. So, for the egg yolk, if you don't like it, then you can put it into the grill so that it can overcook, and then it will be like ready. So now turn off the flame, and look, it's so ready. Look, take a look at our apple shakshuka. So let's dish it out. So first we're going to make sure that we have some gravy in our bowl. Oh, I love it. I love it. It just looks like so good, and it's great for Sunday breakfast. Then add your eggies. Ooh, take a look at it. Looks perfect. This is great. You guys have to try and make it at home. Look at it, and you'll feel like making it at home. Now let's garnish it with some of this coriander. Looking amazing. Can you believe it? Our egg shakshuka is like great at first try. So you don't have to add the kebabs, by the way, if you don't want to. Now let's taste test. Go going to get some of this bread.
So we're going to break the middle of the egg first.
So excited.
Oh my god.
Well, if I could say that this is the best thing for breakfast, then I would, but there's so many great things I can try out. But this was like the best thing I've ever tried for breakfast.
Just gonna take this.
Okay, it might be too hot. It's like you're in the world's best restaurant. Wow, oh my gosh, I loved it. I wish I could have like more and more and have it every day for breakfast. I could do that because it's so good. So please try this at home and write in the comments how you thought about this. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.